Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore home level 2 charging with Enphase EV Charger, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have all necessary tools at hand. These include a screwdriver, a voltage tester, and safety gloves. Start by turning off the power to the Enphase EV Charger at the circuit breaker. Verify that the power is off using the voltage tester. Next, remove the enclosure cover of the charger with your screwdriver. Take care not to damage any wires as you lift the cover. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal wiring for any visible damage or disconnection. If you notice any issues, address them before proceeding. Locate the main power input terminals inside the enclosure. Check that all connections are secure and free from corrosion. Reconnect any loose wires, ensuring a tight fit. After securing the connections, reattach the enclosure cover carefully. Ensure that it fits snugly to maintain the charger's weatherproof design. Next, return to the circuit breaker and restore power to the charger. Perform a final check of the charger's status lights to confirm functionality. If the lights indicate normal operation, proceed to test the charger with your EV. Connect your EV to the charger and monitor the charging process. If everything functions correctly, your Enphase EV Charger is now restored. In case of any errors, consult the user manual for troubleshooting advice. By following these steps, you can successfully restore your home level 2 charging with the Enphase EV Charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.